Welcome to this demonstration on throttle body cleaning and spray. Inspect the throttle body and clean it every 6,000 kilometers or 6 months. Dirty throttle body may lead to rough idling, low pickup and black smoke that may ultimately affect the vehicle's performance. Removing the throttle body from the vehicle procedure. Ensure the engine switch and kill switch is in off condition. Begin by removing the seat and the fuel tank. Remove the half piece of the mudguard by removing the 8mm self-locking nut from the bottom and 10mm hex head bolts from the top mountings. Now remove the side panel by removing the 5mm Allen bolt with the help of a 5mm Allen key. Remove the battery carefully from the bracket. Remove the air cleaner rear bottom set plate by removing the 8mm hex head bolts with the help of socket and wrench. With the help of a T-spanner, remove the air cleaner right hand side mounting bolt along with the washer. Now remove the main harness inset lock from the chassis. Decouple the intake air temperature sensor coupler. Now carefully remove the breather pipe mounting to air cleaner locking clamp and breather pipe with the help of a nose plier. Now remove the air cleaner assembly from the chassis. The throttle body is located between the cylinder head inlet and air filter outlet hose. Disconnect TPS and MAP wiring. Loosen the hose clip on adapter, throttle body and cylinder head. Loosen the hose clip on the air inlet rubber hose. Remove bi-starter cable from throttle body with the help of open end spanner. Slacken the lock nuts on the adjusters and remove the throttle cable from the throttle body. Remove the throttle body, gently sliding it out of the inlet below the adapter. Do not tamper the screw. Spraying. Use the Royal Enfield recommended throttle body cleaner and clean it by spraying. Allow it to soak for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now use the clean cloth to wipe the solvent properly. Clean it entirely and let it dry completely. Insert and mount the throttle body onto the hose. Mount the bi-starter cable onto the throttle body. Couple the manifold absolute pressure sensor with the coupler. Connect the canister assembled purge tube with the throttle body. Mount the accelerator cable on the throttle body. Finally, reinstall the seat and fuel tank. Do's and don'ts. Always use the recommended throttle body cleaner. Adjust the free plate properly to ensure correct operations during acceleration on running. The MAP and TPS are not serviceable parts, so please do not remove them from the throttle body.